Bitcoin is currently stuck between key levels. It's trading below a descending trend line, but still holding strong above the major Fibonacci support zones at $75,340 and $69,144. As long as we stay above those, the bullish case toward $130,000 remains possible, though we haven't seen confirmation of that move yet. In the short term, Bitcoin recently completed a three-wave move up from the March 11th low. Right now, it looks like we're in a corrective wave B, and if support between $79,189 and $81,159 holds, we could see another push toward the mid-$90K range. But here's the catch. If BTC breaks below $81,200, that opens the door for more downside, and the bearish yellow scenario becomes more likely. This suggests we could see a diagonal move lower, not a straight crash. On the flip side, a breakout above $86,968 would be the first real signal that bulls are regaining control. From there, we'll be watching resistance between $90,925 and $103,831. A clean break above that range could set up a move toward $130,000 over time. We're in a key consolidation zone, and the next breakout, up or down, should give us a clearer direction. If this helped you understand the current setup, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto updates.